Hey everybody, what is going on? George or Regen here. Hope you all are having a fantastic day. Welcome back to Regen Nation. Much love to the viewers. If you are new, please feel free to hit that subscribe button. If this video helps, make sure you hit that like button. And if there's any further questions within this video, feel free to comment or contact me on any of my social medias. Links in the description down below. Now, I made a little list here, and this list basically goes through everything in the exact order. This is super simple. There's really not much to it. This is connecting your mouse and keyboard to your Xbox One. This will work on any of the Xboxes. The original, the Xbox One S, and the Xbox One X. Let's get it. Now guys, simply I just want to say right as this video starts that I have been streaming on twitch.tv/RegenNation with a mouse and keyboard connected to my Xbox for probably 2 months now, and everyone asks me what computer I'm using, and I always tell them I'm using my Xbox One. So a lot of people have been asking how I've been doing that. So honestly, I just thought I'd make a video and I can, do exclamation mark Xbox or something like that in my live stream. People can get this video linked to them, or if anyone else can utilize it, obviously that'd be great as well. Now, you don't need to. Feel free to check out the streams if you would like. Link in the description down below. So first step, guys, I just want to say it's not really a step, it's just a key point. No adapters are needed within this process. Microsoft has actually integrated it perfectly, and there will be no additional, literally anything. All you need is your mouse and keyboard. That is it. Step number one, guys, you just got to simply plug them into the ports. You're just going to literally take your keyboard, plug it into either the back or the port on the front, whatever your Xbox has, feel free to do so. You also plug in your mouse, and to top it off, you can use wireless mice as long as it's a USB. I wouldn't recommend it if you're a competitive player. I use a wireless mouse, but it's a super responsive one. It's one of the best. Logitech G603. Now, one thing that a lot of people don't understand is it does need to be a compatible game. Not every single game on the Xbox One is compatible. So although mouse and keyboard does actually work on Xbox One, not every game will be compatible on the Xbox One. I will put a list of all the games that you can actually play. There may be more, I could be wrong, but look into it if there's a certain game that you want to play to see if that game is compatible with mouse and keyboard on the Xbox One, guys. I'll put a list in the description down below. Now, just to let you know, guys, there's a couple little things, although you just need to plug it in and that's it for actually playing, there's a few things that you're going to need to know. Now, one of them is there is a setting on your Xbox that you can go into, and you can actually change the sensitivity of the mouse. Now, although there's mouse sensitivity in game, and there's also DPI buttons sometimes on a mouse, you can actually change your sensitivity from here as well. I would recommend once changing it or leaving it the same, never ever touch it again, because if you don't change your in-game sensitivity and this changes, that'll mess up your aim a lot. Now, some games, guys, do actually need to be started on the controller. So you can navigate your home menu on your keyboard, but after that, guys, some games, for example, the one I play, Modern Warfare or Warzone, aka, I guess, that game needs to be launched on the controller. The second it's launched, you can move your mouse, a cursor will pop up, and you will be good to go. Now, some games as well, this is just Warzone, and for my opinion, I don't know how many others have this, but I know Warzone needs this, guys. When you launch the game, there will be a thing within your settings that's near all your keybinds that actually says, do you want to play on controller or do you want to play on your keyboard and mouse? You guys need to make sure it's clicked on keyboard and mouse, because although you can navigate the home screen on your keyboard, if it's not clicked on keyboard and mouse, it will launch you into the game, only able to use your controller until you back out of it. I may have missed a couple things, I may have got every single key point, but if for whatever reason this other isn't working, or you're not able to figure out a certain step or have any questions of whatever, feel free to comment down below. I'd be more than happy to try to help you, or like I said, my description has all my socials in it, so feel free to check it out there. Hit me up on whatever you have, and I'd be more than happy to try to help you. Anyways, guys, much love to the viewers, and this is Regen or George signing out, guys. Peace.